Yes, mga Jabber Cats, magandang gabi mga kabakas. Ano lahat, welcome back po sa ating channel. Yes, this is your Korean Angel. Yes, pag bago ka lang subscribe, comment, and channel below. Tara, road trip tayo. And first of all, I'm gonna buy food sa bibili ko I'm gonna buy water and soda because it's summertime. Yes, summertime can in Korea, Jabber Cats. And of course, talagang bumbang, may audio po, get ko na. So, I'm gonna go to the convenience store. At siyempre, I'll doon padala. And then, we're gonna send money sa ating motherhood. At saka, igalada ka. Igalada kayo in kilo. And of course, like the inconvenience store. So right here, inconvenience store, my stuff. So I wanna buy some soda right in here. That's my favorite. So actually this one is I did this one. And if you want some milk, there have some milk in here, but I wanna choose some that water. Mahilig ka sa mga sausage they have in here, and my favorite, that's a bagel. That's my favorite, that's a bagel. And if you want some noodles, right in here, the noodles. Well, I know. So if I want Jabber Cats, I just bought this one. And if you want some sandwich, meron din silang sandwich in here. Everything is in here. So just all we do, we're gonna pay this one, and I'll explore you outside. So mga Jabber Cats, I'm here in the outside. Look at that beautiful ambience, and of course the weather is so cool right now. In the afternoon, it's a little bit hot, and I fall asleep. Yes, kamusta kaming lahat? And sa po natin mga OFW. And of course, sa po ng mga breadwinner, mega big shout out to everybody. And magpumukha pansin sa akin, look at that beautiful like a LED in here. Ang ganda ng mga LED, no? This one is the beautiful lights. And I'm always like walking in here, walking down the street, parang pretty man. Siyempre pretty man eh. And of course, it's really good and it's really cool. Sa po natin mga Jabber Cats, we can go outside the next floor. Siyempre, ika nga, libreng mangarap. And then this one, it's really good even like in the daytime, in the nighttime. And this building, it looks like you are in Paris. Yes, Paris Baguette. And it looks like you are in the USA. And then this area, and I give you like a mall tour. It's really good. Siyempre, ito na mga include. Ito, ipapasyal kita at gagawa tayong video ang ating na road trip. Actually, bumili lang. I just bought my soda because like it's a summertime, and I have a picture at my home. So nag-decide akong maggawa ng vlog. Well, it's alright. The weather is so cool. Pwede tayo lumabas, and of course, pwede tayo magtampisaw sa dagat. And of course, if you want, we can go in the ocean jeep. Yes, pinag-usapan yung mga like the beautiful ambience in here, and of course the beautiful like the K-drama location like the Nami Island, Jeju Island, and of course san pa, marami pa. Pumuko pa sa akin like this one, the umbrella, like the beautiful umbrella right in here. Ang ganda, di ba? So it's a beautiful ambience like left to the right. Hindi yata sila nagtitipid sa mga ilaw. Hindi sila nagtitipid sa ilaw, and of course even although in the late at night, and of course lalo na sa madaling araw, oh my god, it's beautiful ambience. Yes, hindi ka talaga magsasawa if you got time, because I just walking in here at nakakawala ng problema. Yeah, free entrance fee. It's really like sometimes you're walking and traveling and exercise. It's the best relief is stress. First, like anxiety, anti-depression. Namiss ko yung dating bahay ko. And I live in this house almost like, I think almost like 10 years. But sabi ng landlord ko, they gonna renovate it. But nakalipat now. But it's alright sa much regards sa mga breadwinner. Yes! Kailangan din natin mag-relax if we have time. Yes, sabi nga nila, pag may time, we can relax. We can explore the beautiful ambience at pwede natin enjoy. Kasi someday, magiging istorya na lang ang buhay natin sa pananatili natin sa ibang bansa. It's look like a fairy tale, like a story when we travel and of course we stay in our country and no matter what happened, babalik din tayo sa ating pinanggalingan. And of course, I was raised in a small farm in the Philippines. Interlagos ako Kapampangan. And of course, I do like home study. Yes, nag-study lang po ako sa bahay. And of course, manyay sa aming body. At siyempre, nag-alaga kami ng baboy. That's my story. No, my mom, we got the cancer wings. And of course, my mom, mahirap lang kami. Kaya nga ng ibang bansa, kaya naging story and of course naging training ang mga breadwinner all over the world. And of course, we're talking about the breadwinner and you are the breadwinner. And of course, the best winning award breadwinner is goes to you. Ay ganda ng panahon, ay ganda ng paligid and of course, it's a beautiful ambience at nakakawala ng problema. So we gonna go explore at the other area. Yes, kung makapansin sa akin, look at that beautiful like plant in here, talagang green na green. Yes, but it's alright. But right now is araw ng pahinga and of course it's another day and araw ng Martes. Bukas is araw ng Miyerkules, araw ng Biyernes, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo, and of course 7 days a week and of course 31 days, sometimes 30 days a month. Pag buwan ng Pebrero is 28, yes. 29 pag birthday mo after 2 years pag February, and of course 2 years additional. It's like a beautiful. Tara, tambay muna tayo dito and I wanna sit down here for a while at saka inom tayo ng malamig na cola. Yes, syempre, sa kwento ng buhay ko, ikaw ang bida. Gano'n lang ang ating buhay. Sa baba, syempre, someday, magiging kwento na lang ang ating buhay. Ano nangyari sa akin? Yes, tama. Lalayo pa ako ng konti. Ano nangyari? Uusad pa ako? Hindi kita, but it's okay. So, I'm gonna go to like right in here. I like this angle. It's really good. And of course, and then this one, and I bought a soda because I want to hang out. Happy birthday to you, Alice. Happy birthday to you, Chubon. And of course, that's one of my birthday lang June. Yes, June 30. It's your birthday. And okay. Wow, it was amazing. Napakasarap. And it was the summertime. We need to drink like a cold drinks, like a cold water, like a cold tea or ice coffee. I love ice coffee actually. Yes. At kung ating mga Jafrica, syempre, ako rin po ay mamaalam na syempre nakagawa din ako ng vlog. It was so brilliant, it was so fancy. Every time makagawa ako ng vlog. So at po ng ating mga breadwinners, syempre hindi mawawala ang congratulations sa inyo. Because isa kang dakila, isa kang Superman, isa kang Superwoman na ng ibang bansa. Hindi easy maging isang breadwinner. We need to be brave, patient, and of course, we need to be humble at tapang at tiyaga. Kung wala tayong tiyaga, wala tayong nilaga. If we believe the happiness, there's a sadness. If we will believe that love so many splendid things sometimes when we touch, and of course the honesty is too much. Green grass of home o joke kaluguran jakalda ka sobra syempre tara maulit na para po sa inyong lahat. And this your Queen Angel ang ating night road trip sometime right here in Korea, and of course the breadwinner.